वेलकम फ्रेंड्स मैं हूं एमडी वसीम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल वसीम एकेडमी। फ्रेंड, आज में हम लोग देखेंगे सोलर सिस्टम। तो द यूनिवर्स इज बाउंडलेस एक्सपेंस इन विच ऑल द मैटर, स्टार्स, planets, satellite, etc. exist. The most accepted theory related to the birth of the universe is called the Big Bang theory. According to this theory, the beginning all matter, substance like gases, dust particles, all elements was contained in a huge, big burning ball of fire which later exploded with a big bang. Matter from it was thrown out with great force in all directions. From this matter, many groups of the stars were formed, which we call galaxies. Millions of such galaxies were created, with each galaxy containing the millions of the stars. Our sun belongs to one such galaxy that we call the Milky Way. It is also called the Akash Ganga in Hindi. The nearest galaxy to Milky Way is Andromeda, which is 2 million light years away. The objects that we see in the sky are termed as heavenly or celestial bodies. First is stars. Any heavenly bodies that shines by producing its own light, it is called the stars. Stars are burning bodies of gases that produce a tremendous amount of heat and light. The sun is a star and center of the solar system. The nearest star to our solar system are Alpha and Proxima Centauri, which are only about 4.3 light years away from our sun. So some stars together make a recognizable patterns in the sky. A recognizable pattern is called the constellation. Some of the prominent and easily recognizable constellations are the Great Bear, also known Ursa Major, Little Bear or Ursa Minor, Orion the Hunter, and Scorpio the Scorpion. Okay friends, now we start the chapter solar system. Okay friends, let's begin about the solar system. This is our solar system. The word sol means the sun and system refers to its family. In other words, the solar system is the name given to the sun and group of heavenly bodies, okay, that revolve around it. The 8 planets and their satellites or moon, meteors, comets, and also asteroids. Sorry. Next is the sun. First of all, the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system, and its gravity is the pulling force that binds the solar system. It is a huge ball of extremely hot gases. It has surface temperature over 6000 degrees Celsius. The distance between the sun and the earth approximately 150 million kilometers, which is why we don't feel tremendous heat produced by it. Okay, look at the sun. Next is planets. Okay, this is our planets. Look here, this is our 8 planets. The name planet is derived from the Greek word meaning wanderer. Planet, that means wanderer. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the 8 planets that revolve around the sun. In fixed path, it is called the orbit. Okay, this is called the orbits. They also rotate on axis while revolving around the sun. These planets do not have their own light. Okay, these planets do not have their own lights but reflect the light from the sun. Pluto is the 9th planet. Okay, look here, the Pluto. Pluto is the 9th planet. Okay, this is Pluto. Pluto is the 9th planet of the solar system, was recategorized as a dwarf planet in 2006. Okay, next, all planets of the solar system are spherical in shape but are of varying sizes. Their compositions also differs. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called the rocky planet. Okay, these are also called the inner planets or rocky planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune planets are called the gaseous planet or liquid planet. Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the largest planet. Though Mercury is close to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet. The hottest planet is Venus. Okay, the hottest planet is Venus, not Mercury. Don't be confused. Saturn has many rings of dust, rocks, and ice around it. Recent studies have confirmed that presence of such rings also around like the Jupiter. Okay, here around the Jupiter, these are. Uranus here is. However, these rings can be seen only with the help of the powerful telescopes, but it is a three-dimensional. Here you can see in the three-dimensional, but it is reality in seen by the powerful telescope from the Earth. Another is asteroids. Okay, so between Mars and Jupiter, this is called Mars and Jupiter lies a belt of the broken rocks and debris of probably an exploded planet. Okay, these are called the asteroids. These small rocky bodies are called asteroids. Most of these chunks of rocks vary in size. Ceres was the largest asteroid, which has now been reclassified as a dwarf planet. Okay, here is Ceres. Ceres, it is the largest asteroids. Ceres, CRES. Don't forget Ceres. Here is asteroid belt. These are the asteroid belts. Next will come the meteors. We often see bright sticks of the light flashing through the night sky for a few seconds. We call this shooting star. Okay, we call it the shooting star. Actually, these are the dislodging piece of the rock, mainly from the asteroid belt, which enter the Earth's atmosphere at a great speed. Okay, because of the friction with the with the atmosphere most of these pieces of the rock called meteors. Next is comets. What are the comets? To look here, comets are ball of dust, ice particles and frozen gases that revolve around the sun. Okay, here some important particles are moving. When they are come near our sun, they vaporize and full of long tail which could extend to over millions of kilometers. These visitors are a spectacle for us as they become visible to us due to the reflected rays of the sun. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet. It is nearest to our sun. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet, which is appear after every 76 years. It will appear next in the 2062. Okay, next is satellites. What are called the satellites? The satellites are celestial body that revolve around the planets. Like planet, satellites do not have their own heat and light but reflect the light from the sun. Different planets have varying number of the satellites due to the recent research in astronomy. Many new satellites have been discovered. Okay, like here the Earth have a satellite, it is called the moon, and Mars have two satellites, Phobos and Deimos, and many planets like Jupiter, Saturn, they have many and many satellites. Next is learn about our moon. Okay, this is our moon here. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It is about the 384,000 km from the Earth. Its diameter is 1/4 of that of the Earth, and its gravity is 1/6 of the Earth. Okay. The moon has no atmosphere and water, resulting in the absence of any form of life on it. The moon takes about the 28 days, 8 days to revolve around the Earth and the same time to rotate on its axis too. This is the reasons why we always see the same side of the moon from the Earth is never get see its other side. The surface of the moon is full of craters, largely due to the bombardment of the meteors. So friends, next we learn about our solar system's different planets. Okay. First is the sun. This is our sun. Firstly we have to learn. So next we learn about our dwarf planets. Okay, like Greece. It is the largest asteroid of the solar system. Okay, it is called Greece. Next is Mercury. Okay, this is Mercury. To learn about Mercury, to equatorial diameter, that means here mass, mean of distance from the sun, okay, rotation period, solar orbit, surface, gravity, these are the important things. Okay, its structure look like core, mantle and crust. Core is molten iron and mantle is based on the solid silicate rock, and crust is based on surface of the silicate and rock. Okay, next come Venus. Okay, Venus, its structure is based on inner core, which is dense solid iron and nickel. Another is outer core, the liquid iron and nickel. Next is mantle, solid silicate rock. Next is crust, solid silicate rock, mostly basalt. Okay, this is about Venus. And here equatorial diameter, mass, mean of distance from the sun, rotation period, solar orbit period, surface gravity and surface temperature. Okay, next, our earth. This is our earth. Here structure is inner core, dense solid iron and nickel, outer core, liquid iron and nickel, mantle, solid silicate rock, and crust is based on solid silicate rock, mostly basalt. Okay, this is our earth. And here is encyclopedia. Equatorial diameters, mass, mean of distance from the sun, rotation period, solar orbit period, surface gravity and surface temperature. Okay, next is our Mars. Mars structure is core. Oh sorry, it is Neptune. Now open the Mars. Here is Mars. Yes, so Mars structure is core, mantle and atmosphere. Core is silicate, iron, nickel and also rock, and mantle, water, ammonia and methane ices. Oh, okay, it is Mars. Mars core is partially liquid iron, nickel and sulfur. Mantle, solid silicate rock and crust, iron rich basalt rock. And here is encyclopedia is equatorial diameters, mass, mean distance from the sun, rotation period, solar orbit period, surface gravity, surface temperature, temperature summer and temperature in winter. Okay, so this is the details about the 4 planets. Okay, next video I will provide the nearest stars, okay, of our solar systems. Another is that the star explorer, which type of stars nearest of the sun. Okay, next video I will provide to friends. Thank you.